Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a weekly vlog. Not weekly vlog, weekend vlog. Our weekends are for the most part really chilled and we don't do much. I'm going to start off the vlog with sharing with you guys what we got from the shops, mostly for the girls. We in springtime, we've just entered springtime, and I just got them a few like summer leggings and t-shirts and new summer pajamas. So I am gonna be sharing that with you, and then I also went to our local drugstore or pharmacy, like we call it, to go pick up a few essential items for us, also mostly for the girls. Is it mostly? Well, including me, so it's mostly for the girls. Just went to pick up a few things. I am so sorry if my voice is sounding funny and nasal. I am busy recovering from a little bit of a flu, so if you could bear with me. So let me show you the clothes first. So so it's just these shorts, and then it goes with this little t-shirt, and all this I got from Pick n Pay. The pajama set was 99 rand, yes. So these sets was 99 rand. So this is the short for my eldest daughter, and then it goes with this t-shirt that is already messed on because of course they insisted wearing it last night. But anyway, this is so cute. But the so this set was also 99 rand. So that is Pick n Pay, and then you know, if you do shop at Pick n Pay, they usually have these promotions like buy 2 leggings for 100 rand. So I got this color and this color for our youngest girl, and then it goes with this t-shirt and this one to go with the leggings. And what I obviously do, I try and make sure they color coordinated to go with both, so you can basically swap out the items and, you know, have different outfits. And then this can go with this. So that is pink and that is pink. I love the colors on this one for that one. And then I just got this leggings, and then this was basically the only top I could get for this one. It feels a little bit busy, but anyway, I'll see how it looks on. And then I just got them this. I'm gonna mix this up with some coconut oil because their hair, especially my eldest daughter, her hair is really dry, so I'm gonna do like a deep conditioning treatment for them probably tonight, and then mix this up with some coconut oil. And then I got them this Care and Protect from Tresemme. It is just for, it's a heat defense spray for when I am like blow drying their hair or straightening, using the straightening iron on their hair, And then I got them this brush, so I got that. And then I eventually found Tokyo's, what we used to call it, Toki's or Tokyo's, and this was the last pack, and I've been looking and looking for this, but anyway, this is all I could find at Dis-Chem. That, and then I got them some gummy bites. I didn't buy the normal gummy bites, but then I just thought, let me try the elderberry. Apparently this is very good. Got that, and then I got a few items for myself. I got this Stamina Grow. There's just some folic acid that I need, vitamins D and E, iron and zinc. I've been feeling like really run down and tired, so I just got that. And then I got this mascara and this Cool Collagen Plumping Lipstick. Okay, and that is the color. And just for my husband, he needed that. He's run out of roll-on. I just got this eyeshadow blending brush. I want to start using eyeshadow a little bit more. Probably still not every day, but yeah. And then I got this brow, I keep showing over here. Anyway, this brow wax pen, and then I just refilled myself with this, and that is, oh no, that's not it. And then I just got this shampoo, conditioner and treatment, like 3-in-1 from Pantene, and that's it for now. So now I'm just gonna go down and fix some breakfast. I've got laundry, got some washing to get on the line, and then I've got editing to do for a video that I would like to publish today, this afternoon, so I need to get on to that.
Spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, yeah. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist, and sea, sand and ember trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves start turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. 'Cause we lived when it was all bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bird song beat. God, it's now so very bittersweet, so I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer. I keep on forgetting times learn how to fly, and before I know
Hello everyone, it is Saturday afternoon. We just got home. It's been a busy day. And being the homebody that I am, I'm just so happy to be home. So I'm just enjoying this nice sunny room. I don't know if you can see the sun is shining into our home at the moment. I am sorry, my voice is still a little bit funny. I am just gonna lay and relax right now. Finish my drink, and then I need to do the voiceover for the latest video that I have for you guys. So I am gonna do that because the video will go up 9 o'clock tonight. So I'm just gonna relax a little bit and settle in and just enjoy being home, and then I am going to start doing that, and then for the rest of the day just chill. And so yeah, and then I will check in with you guys later. Tomorrow, which is Sunday, we'll probably go to church, and then I'm planning to just have like a chill day planned for the week. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. We're obviously not going anywhere else but church tomorrow because yeah. Sorry.
It's okay. And then it was time to go to the kingdom. And the king said, "Go, Fairy, where were you?" At the number lounge. Woo! And the king loved the number land. You can't fit in because you're too big. With spiked gloves and red eyes and red spikes. But he got red eyes. And he doesn't have eyes yet. And
She wants to see right.
eyes. And I'm red because he went angry. He says, why? Why did you make my feelings bad? And then
all the leaves start turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like
I'm going to see because of you. Oh. And then there's a big brown man. And then he's like, yeah. You can see. You must not stay with him. And then, wait. And then